drinking okra water in the morning has many benefits. What is okra water? Soaking okra in the water for 24 hours to infuse into the water makes a healthy drink. There are many nutritional benefits. 8 pods of raw okra contain calories 30 protein 2 grams, fat 0.2 grams, carbs 7 grams, fiber 3 grams, magnesium 33%, vitamin C 24%, thiamine 16%, folate 14%, magnesium 13%, vitamin B6 12%, and copper 12%. Digestive benefits. The fiber in okra also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which promotes a healthy intestinal tract. Second, maintain blood sugar level. Okra contains polyphenols and flavonoids which reduce blood sugar levels. Antioxidant is another benefit of it. Okra fights against chronic disease like diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and other chronic diseases. It contains vitamin C and vitamin A, which acts as an antioxidant. Weight loss. Okra water helps you to stay hydrated. Drinking more water increases weight loss and reduces food intake. Lower cholesterol. It helps reduce harmful cholesterol level in your blood. You can drink okra water as a refreshing beverage by adding ice cubes, lemon wedges, mint, herbs, or your favorite sweeteners. I like to use 2 parts water to 1 part okra water and add lemon, mint, and ice. Okra water can also be used as a base for smoothies, juice blends, or tea infusions. Use okra water in recipe for liquids such as soups, stews, and sauces. If you find our video helpful, please like, comment, and share. And if you are new to this, please subscribe our channel.